In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Spotify playlist private, and we're going to start right away. Now, to make your playlist private on Spotify on your PC, you need to go to your account. Then once you're on your account's homepage, go to your left hand menu, then select the playlist you want from your accounts playlist. So if you have more than one, just click on any. Then once that playlist opens, you need to click on these three dots right here, and these options will come up on your screen. So just go down and click on make private on your playlist, and your playlist will be made private on your PC. So if you want to do the same thing on mobile, what you need to do on your phone, just open your Spotify app. Then on your account, below your screen, you need to tap on your library. Then your next screen here, you'll see down here, you'll see all playlist you have on your account. So just tap on any that you want to make private. Then next here, you need to tap on these three dots right here, and from these options will pop up on your screen. So just go ahead and tap on make private, and that playlist will be made private on your account. So guys, that's how you can make a playlist private on Spotify. So thank you so much for watching. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.